Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our Lexus Certified Pre-Owned units. It is a 2017 RX 350 luxury package and the Nebula Grey Pearl finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This is a low mileage, local Calgary car. Some of the features include LED daytime running lights, front and rear park assist sensors, keyless entry with the push to start ignition, automatic high beam, power liftgate, heated steering wheel, driver seat memory seating, power folding side mirrors, power adjustable front seating, hands-free controls, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control with the pre-collision, a 12.3-inch multimedia display with navigation, heated and ventilated front seats, drive mode select, sunroof, blind spot monitor with the rear cross traffic alert, black leather interior, rear heated seats, and of course the legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.